Talk about 5 ways to make money with your blog. Number 5 is the easiest. And no, blogging isn't dead. Do not comment that. We don't need that negative energy around here. Number 1, and probably the most obvious, is to put ads on your blog. You can use Google Ads. It's not going to be a lot of money. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight unless you already have millions and billions of views on your blog and you don't have ads for some reason. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. We see this a lot on TikTok. Creators use Amazon affiliates to make money. I would recommend, if you have a blog, to figure out what your niche is and find high ticket affiliate marketing or high ticket products where the payout is much larger, so then you can make fewer sales and make more money. And this does require some knowledge about marketing, so it is by no means a get rich quick scheme. Number 4 is to sell memberships. If you have a business that sells courses or programs of some sort, or people come to your blog for you, you can sell basically packages where they get more access to your knowledge or more of something in your business. Number 4 is to sell digital products or physical products if that's what you want, but digital products, think about what your readers' problems are and how you can solve that and how you can package that into a digital product, whether that be an ebook, a course, a digital download, a guidebook, a planner. And number 5, and my favorite and the quickest way to make money with your blog, that is to sell a service. Think of a service that is within your niche that you could sell or promote on your website. This could be consulting, website design, graphic design. If you want more blogging and social media tips, feel free to give me a follow.